Part 1, Mindset Shift. Everything starts in your mind. If your thoughts don't change, your life won't change. So for the next 21 days, you must reprogram your brain. Step 1, cut out negativity. No gossip, no excuses, no toxic content. Step 2, affirmations. Every morning, look in the mirror and say, I am disciplined. I am unstoppable. I will win. Step 3, visualization. See the person you want to become. Feel it. Act as if you're already that person. Part 2, body reset. Your body is the engine. Without energy, you can't win. For 21 days, treat your body like a temple. Step 1, wake up early, no snooze button. Step 2, exercise at least 30 minutes a day. Push-ups, running, gym. It doesn't matter, just move. Step 3, eat clean, no junk, no sugar overload. Fuel your body, don't poison it. Step 4, hydrate. Your brain runs on water, not soda. Part 3, building habits. Discipline is built through habits. Here's the 21-day habit formula. Read 10 pages every day. Feed your mind. Journal at night. Write your goals, your progress, your lessons. Limit distractions. No aimless scrolling. Control your time, or time will control you. Work in focused blocks. 45 minutes of deep work, 15 minutes break. Repeat. Part 4, identity shift. Here's the real secret. You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your identity. For 21 days, stop saying, I want to change. Start saying, I am changed. You are not trying to become disciplined. You are disciplined. You are not trying to become healthy. You are healthy. Act like the person you want to be, and soon reality will catch up. Part 5, the 21-day action plan. Here's your 21-day blueprint. Wake up early, move your body, eat clean, read daily, journal nightly, cut out distractions, affirm, visualize, and execute. Do this relentlessly for 21 days, and I promise you, your energy, your focus, your confidence, your entire life will never be the same. 21 days, that's all it takes. Don't wait for motivation. Don't wait for the perfect time. The perfect time is now. Imagine yourself 21 days from today, sharper, stronger, unstoppable. The choice is yours. Will you waste another 3 weeks? Or will you rise and change your life completely? The clock starts today.